welcome back to the Awesome Soap Company.
Look, see?
Today we are working on our first bath bombs. They are, they're scented with
lavender and
bergamot.
So you fill it, put it down.
Lavender and bergamot. And Ylang Ylang.
Gotta get a little of this in there, Mom.
Look at.
Stunning.
Look at.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, beautiful.
Can't really see it. Me try one.
How did it turn out?
It looks amazing.
Awesome. We'll pass it along.
Here.
Nice. Fill it right up, Ed.
Maybe I can share with
Look at how gorgeous those are, you guys.
What are you doing, Ed?
I'm squishing these two together. Okay. Mom.
Beautiful. Ed, you could probably lighten up on that lavender a little. This is very nice, Eden.
I did it on purpose.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful, Eden.
I'm making the video a lot funnier.